Ethernet has become the backbone of smart manufacturing connectivity by enabling real-time data flow, predictive maintenance, and seamless integration of industrial systems. As manufacturers shift towards smart manufacturing, Ethernet's scalability, reliability, and cost-effectiveness make it the dominant communication standard, replacing proprietary field bus networks with a universal solution-based. This universal standard supports broad device compatibility and paves the way for integrating industrial Internet of Things technologies. Transitioning to an Ethernet-based infrastructure can be complex due to diverse protocols and integration challenges. To address these hurdles, experts like our product management and solution architecture teams translate technical details into actionable strategies, ensuring manufacturers adopt effective connectivity solutions. Ethernet supports high-speed data transmission, ranging from gigabit to 10G speeds, which is crucial for real-time decision-making across all industrial network layers. At the business layer, ERP systems rely on aggregated data from MES and SCADA systems that operate at the management level, while the automation layer leverages PLCs and HMIs for machine control, and the device layer uses sensors and actuators for vital data collection. Ethernet's versatility extends to various network topologies, star, ring, and trunk, each offering distinct advantages in performance and fault tolerance. Moreover, integration with the OSI model and advancements like time-sensitive networking and CIP sync have improved Ethernet's determinism, making it suitable for critical applications. Ultimately, Ethernet's interoperability and continuous evolution ensure it remains a future-proof solution for modern, connected manufacturing environments.